Hey everyone, the DJI Osmo Action 6 arrives as a major step forward for DJI's action cam lineup, finally reaching global markets after its initial release in China. With this generation, DJI isn't just polishing an older formula, it's pushing the Action series into far more ambitious territory, driven by a larger sensor, improved displays, enhanced optics, and meaningful upgrades to durability and usability. From the moment you pick up the Osmo Action 6, its dual display setup immediately stands out. DJI uses a 1.46-inch screen on the front and a significantly larger 2.5-inch display on the rear. Both panels reach up to 800 nits, giving the camera excellent visibility outdoors, whether you're vlogging with the front screen or navigating settings from behind. The displays feel crisp, bright, and well-suited to real-world shooting environments, especially for creators who move between bright sunlight and dim indoor locations. The biggest leap is unquestionably the sensor. DJI has upgraded to a much larger 1/1.1-inch sensor, providing a noticeable improvement in detail, dynamic range, and low-light resilience. The wide 155-degree field of view keeps shots immersive and cinematic without feeling distorted, and the ability to adjust the aperture between f/2.0 and f/4.0 gives shooters more creative control than what's typically offered in this category. Whether you're chasing low-light clarity or deeper depth of field, the Action 6 adapts better than most action cameras in its price bracket. In terms of performance, the camera supports 4K video at 60 frames per second for everyday recording and jumps all the way to 4K/120 frames per second for slow motion capture. Video quality benefits from the larger sensor with cleaner shadows and smoother highlights, and the stabilization, paired with DJI's processing, remains as dependable as ever. For photography, the camera tops out at 38 megapixels, producing sharp images with excellent color reproduction. This combination of versatility and quality solidifies the Action 6 as more than just an extreme sports tool. It's a compact content creation device capable of seriously polished results. Battery life also receives a boost. The 1,950 mAh battery delivers up to 4 hours of use on a full charge, an impressive figure for a device pushing high refresh displays and advanced recording features. This extended endurance makes the Action 6 a more reliable companion for long outings, travel, and all-day accessory-free shooting. Pricing in the UK is straightforward. The standard combo at £329 includes the camera, the Extreme Battery Plus, the quick-release adapter mount, curved adhesive base, locking screw, USB-C PD cable, and anti-slip pad. Ultimately, the DJI Osmo Action 6 feels like the action model users have been waiting for. It improves image quality in meaningful ways, elevates usability through brighter dual displays, and adds clever touches like integrated storage and enhanced durability. DJI has refined the hardware and software into a more mature product that competes comfortably with the best action cameras on the market, while also pushing the category's boundaries with features uncommon at this price. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, I will be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.